mean we should be joining them. Okay.
So if you're doing it, you feel like
You'd be doing it that kind of spacing. Okay, so you've been a staple, 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 staple. You know what I mean?
there.
Yeah, that's perfect, aye. Right, next up.
You get as big a kick.
Sorry?
You get as big a kick.
No, you don't. You have a wee shot at it. I won't say no for it. Okay, straightforward. Next.
Someone give me the...
Yeah, that's a lovely. Dead easy, innit? Right, your turn.
Someone... It's still running.
Cool. That way.
Oh, wait,
There's this portrait video
How
on.
did the movies go last night? Was it
It's
good?
really good.
Was it?
Very tired, but it's really good.
Did you have lots of sweeties and popcorn?
Yeah. Wait.
Right, do you want to do this bit up here?
Too much, mate. That's a little bit too much.
You do that bit there. Okay? There's not as much a kick comes off of this one. There you go, easy in it. And up here. And there. There you go. Easy, eh? Right, girls.
Come on, Laura.
Have you done it?
Yeah, I did it. That was the first one I did it.
Sorry.
Let's stop.
Right, somewhere along that line.